my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to install Apache Maven on Amazon Linux 2. Apache Maven is a build automation tool basically used for Java project, but also can be used for manage and build project written in C, Ruby, Scala and other languages. Apache Maven project hosted by Apache Software Foundation. Let's start. First go to the terminal and go to desktop. We want .pem file, my pem file on the desktop. Now connect with Amazon Linux 2 instance using command ssh-i in double quote .pem file ec2 hyphen user @ IP address of Amazon Linux 2. This is my IP address. Copy this address, paste in the terminal. Now we are connected with Amazon Linux 2 instance. Before install Maven, you need to install OpenJDK. First install OpenJDK 11 on Amazon Linux 2 using command this. Paste here. Now we have installed OpenJDK 11 on Amazon Linux 2. Let's check the OpenJDK 11 using command java -version, then enter. We are installed OpenJDK version 11.0.9 and OpenJDK runtime environment also installed, and OpenJDK 64-bit server VM virtual machine 18.9 installed. Now download Maven. Before download Maven, we want to go cd tmp directory and stay with tmp directory. Visit the official page of Apache Maven. This is Apache Maven official website. Here many setup, but I have selected this. Click on here and copy location and go to terminal. Enter command sudo wget and paste the setup location, then enter. Now we have download Apache Maven 3.8.1 bin.tar.gz setup on tmp directory. Now extract the Apache Maven setup in opt directory. Paste here. Extract file completed. Now create a symlink for Apache Maven directory to update the Maven version. Copy this command, paste in the terminal. Now create the Maven environment using command sudo nano etc profile.d maven.sh, then enter. In this environment, copy this 4 line and paste here. In first line Java home directory, in second line opt maven directory, In third line, Maven home directory. In fourth line, path. Save this setup using Ctrl O, then enter. Exit this using Ctrl X. Give the executable permission using chmod. Copy this and enter here. Completed. Now let's load the environment variable using source command. Enter command source etc profile.d maven.sh, then enter. Now we have installed Maven. Let's check the Maven version using command mvn-version. This is Maven version, Apache Maven 3.8.1, Maven home directory, Java version. In this video, we have covered how to install OpenJDK 11 on Amazon Linux 2 and how to install Apache Maven on Amazon Linux 2. Thank you.